Whatever that say, let's try them out. Like I say, we're gonna grade the bathroom and everything. This gonna have something to do with them getting a score on the scale of 1 to 10. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we finna see how these bathrooms look. This gonna play a big part in them getting a decent score. Because don't nobody like filthiness. As of right now, everything look pretty decent. Everything look pretty decent. You don't have no paper all on the floor. Got a fresh smell to it. The toilets can use a flush or two. But it ain't like it's all kind of hair, pubic hairs and stuff all on the toilet and paper all in the toilet. You know, everything's okay. I give this bathroom, I rate this bathroom I give it a 96. The reason why I didn't get 100 is simply because someone left pee in the toilets. And you know, have to keep those things flushed. All right, so let's go see what the food talking about. So they got a 96, so still an A. You know, maybe an A minus. So far they're still in the 9 and 10 category. Now we finna go see what the food is talking about. We're going for texture. We're going for taste, as far as how they use their seasonings and all. So let's go see what they're talking about, Funky Bear.